My name is Manish. I take care marketing department of Dhola-ri-Dhani and Jagdamba Pulse, MG Road, Sikandrabad. Actually, we have a very old relations with Agarwal Samaj. My MD, he was important position. He was on an important position on Agarwal Samaj, and he has given a lot of output for that. Another thing here is that we are in Hyderabad, and we are with the Dhola-ri-Dhani Resort, that is in Kompalli, and Jagdamba Pulse also. Both are in single hand. And Dhola-ri-Dhani Resort is a Rajasthani resort. We have developed Rajasthani culture, Rajasthani traditions, along with Rajasthani food and complete setup of Rajasthani design. We have done it. Even if you want to come with your family, you can see lots of Rajasthani culture, dance, activity, folk dance, Rajasthani food, cuisines all. Not only this, that is in a big area, and we have done we have made lots of rooms, near about 100 rooms for conference hall, near about 3 to long. So we are doing with this. Biz Connect is a very good platform. It's a platform where you can connect with different industries, with different people, with different potential customers for which you require for developing your growth, developing your business. So as per my view, this is a very good platform where on single platform we can meet different people. In case if you want to meet in market, hardly you will get time for meeting. So this is my personal concern. 6 month work you can do within 2 days. So I would like to thanks to Agarwal Samaj for creating such a platform where we can meet, where we can connect to each other, we can come to know about their business, and we can generate leads also.